Okay, this is an awesome thunderstorm. Got all these mamatas over here. And the anvil extending way over here. The anvil. Got the sunset on it. And then down this direction is where the actual storm is, and it's just lightning down there pretty good. It's kind of hard to see it though. But it's all south of me, I'm gonna miss it. Look at that mamatas, man. That is cool. Now look at this thing, man. It's just getting better and better. It's awesome looking. And the sun's so bright right now that you can't see all the lightning over there. As soon as it goes down though, it's flashing pretty good. Still got all the mamatas over here. Okay, it's getting farther away now. Still got a little bit of mamatas. Kind of dying out though. Now the sun's really getting pink. This is all the, whoa, some big bolts over there. It's all the underneath side of the anvil. Over there. Let's see if we can get some lightning. And then there's the top of it. Oh, there's some mamatas right there. That's cool. And there it goes, blowing off that way. Only wish it was a little bit brighter. It's hard to see them. It's amazing how long the sun lasts up here. Sun's still going down. Takes forever when you're on top of a mountain. And then now all the baby mamatas are starting to come back. And there's still some pretty good lightning over here.